Alright, it's a new tutorial series about how to make a Final Fantasy 3 game, so yeah. Alright, so first thing we're going to do is going to make the warning. So just create a new sprite, call it warning. And just put whatever you want your warning to be. It's like something like okay, for the code for this one, we're going to do flag is clicked, go to 0, 0, hide, wait 1.5 seconds, set ghost effect to 100, show, repeat 50 times, change ghost effect by 2, or -2, and set ghost effect to 0, wait 5 seconds, wait 5 seconds, repeat 50 times, change ghost effect by 2, set ghost effect to 100, set ghost effect to 100, hide, and then broadcast new message, call it main menu. Okay, so that's your warning. You're gonna make a new sprite called menu guy. It's for your animatronic guy doing his little thing. I'm just gonna import a sprite I made here. Make like 5 costumes showing him doing different things. Like that. Maybe turn it the other way. Yeah, there. Code for this guy, we're gonna do when the flag is clicked, go 0, 0, switch to costume 1, then hide. Then what we're going to do is when I receive main menu, set ghost effect to 100, show, switch to costume 1, wait 0.5 seconds, repeat 50 times, change ghost effect by -2, and set ghost effect to 0. Then we're gonna add when I receive main menu forever, pick random 5 to 10 seconds, repeat 10 times. We're gonna do another wait nothing to 0.1 seconds, switch to costume, pick random 1 through 5 or how many other costumes you have, 1 to 5, and switch to costume 1. So you'll see that he does his little glitchy kind of thing, picks random costumes and pick at a random time. All right, there you go. All right. We're going to add when I receive new message, call it new game, copy everything from this, but get rid of the show, and then put hide at the end. Okay. Do this, then do set ghost effect to 0, change ghost effect by +2, then set ghost effect to 100. Copy and paste this 3 more times. Do new message, call it night 1, night 2, night 3. Okay. That's everything you need in this one. I'm going to make a new sprite and call it title. Make a little quick title real quick. So I'm just going to do your Fnaf fan game. Fan game. There you go. There's your title. Just make a big red 3 or whatever you want. In this case, it's the 3rd game in the Hero Fnaf fan game franchise, or whatever you want to call it. It's not really a franchise, more like a stupid thing, but whatever. Make like 3 costumes, convert them both to bitmap, and make it look distorted so you can get the kind of interesting effect that you'd get in most Five Nights at Freddy's games. There you go. Okay. Now you're literally just going to copy everything from the menu guy directly into this. So just start copying everything in. Technically what you could have done is just duplicated that sprite and just changed the costumes, but I'm pretty dumb, so yeah. And what you're going to change for this one, instead of pick random 1 to 5, it's 1 to 3 because you only have 3 costumes. So let's see how everything looks. If he's just 50, I don't know why it goes 5. Right, everything loads in. Looks pretty good. And he does his little thing, the menu goes out. Alright, that's perfect. Now I'm going to add a little detail. There's like a room in the back that kind of moves around. You can call it menu room. You can put this as whatever you want, but in this case I'm just going to do my office. Yeah, I'm just going to get this, copy all of it, and I'm going to paste it into here. So I got our little office thing. I'm going to make this go to the back layer. And I'm just going to add a bit more darkness to it. Sorry, I'm eating a cheese stick, ladies and gentlemen, because I'm hungry. All right, that's pretty good. Let's go for this. We're going to copy everything from the title into this. Yeah, surprising, right? Copy all of it. Everything except the changing sprites thing. Just copy everything in. Right. Clean up everything actually. Alright, so that's everything. Then what we're gonna do is when I receive main menu forever, I'm gonna do glide 2 seconds 0 0. Glide 2 seconds to 0 0, then glide 2 seconds to 10 10, then glide 2 seconds to 0 0, then glide 2 seconds to -10 -10, then glide 2 seconds to 10 -10. Then we're going to do -10 positive 10. So, right, save it, and I'm gonna test it out here. All right, it's moving properly. Good. I'm gonna import a sprite here. It's a static. It's normal static here. So for this, we're gonna add. It's gonna be called main menu static. There. This one, what we're gonna do is when flag is clicked, set ghost effect to 0. Go to 0, 0, and hide. Then we're going to do, when I receive main menu, set ghost effect to 100. Show, switch to costume 1. Or whatever, it's all, it's just a GIF I found online. Switch to costume 1, wait 0.5 seconds, repeat 10 times, change ghost effect by -2. Set ghost effect to 80. Right. And then what we're going to do is we're going to do, when I receive a new game, repeat 10 times, change ghost effect by +2, hide, and set ghost effect to 100. And then we're going to do, when I receive main menu forever, next costume. Then we're going to copy and paste this 3 more times for night 1, 2, and 3. So night 1, 2, 3, clean up the block so it looks good. Okay, so we're going to try that now. Your warning. And the main menu. That looks good. Great job so far. Okay. I don't know why I said that. Whatever. I don't know. Right. Gonna make another sprite. Call it play button. Crap. Play button. Make sure it's at 0, 0. So when the sprite's clicked, go to 0, 0. Hide. I'm just gonna make it show for right now because I need to see where it is. And do new game. Put it where you like. And what we're going to do is get a black box, put it over the new game, make it go to the back layer, set its opacity to 1. If you have scratch add-ons, you kind of need that. Duplicate the costume, set it to white, make a little arrow if you want. I mean, this is kind of optional, but it just makes it look kind of better. There. Then we're going to do, when I receive main menu, set ghost effect to 100, wait 0.5 seconds, show, repeat 50 times, change ghost effect by -2, and then set ghost effect to 0. And do, when I receive main menu, forever, if else, if it's touching the mouse pointer, switch to costume 2, else switch to costume 1. So you can see that switches to the arrow one when you click it. So when the sprite's clicked, broadcast new game. When I receive new game, repeat 50 times. Change ghost effect by +2, set ghost effect to 100, and then hide. Then do make a when I receive, make a new broadcast, call it continue. When I receive continue, hide, and broadcast the when I receive new game thing 2 more times, or actually 3 more times. Night 1, night 2, night 3. Clean up the box. Right, that's everything you need in this one. Then we're actually going to duplicate this and call it continue. Make sure it's at 0, 0. Change the costume, delete that one. Change the costume, make it go down. Continue on it. Make sure the hitbox was that. Duplicate it. Make your arrow. All right, perfect. Then do when this sprite's clicked, broadcast continue. When I receive new game, we'll do that. When I receive that, and that. Okay. When I receive continue, yeah, hide still. All right, that's everything you need in this sprite. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a new sprite, call it night 1. Sprite I made here. Night 1, I'm going to duplicate that 2 more times. Night 1, I'm just going to get rid of these 2. Night 2, I'm going to get rid of these 2. 3, I'm going to get rid of these 2. Right. For night 1, what we're going to add is when the sprite's clicked, go to 0, 0, hide, and add that into all 3 nights, or 4 or 5, or how many you want. Then go back to night 1, then do when I receive, continue, set ghost effect to 100, show, repeat 50 times, change ghost effect by -2, set ghost effect to 0. Now copy that and put it into the rest of the nights. So then if I press continue, they show up. Right. Then what you want to do is when this sprite is clicked, broadcast night 1, copy that to other 2 ones, except for night 2, it's going to do when this sprite is clicked, broadcast night 2. For night 3, it's going to broadcast night 3. Okay. Then what we're going to add is when I receive continue. When I receive night 1, what we're going to do is repeat 50 times, broadcast, change ghost effect by +2, set ghost effect 100, stop other scripts in sprite, and then hide. Then copy that for night 2 and 3. Copy that, do it into the other ones. So night 1, 2, and 3. All right, we got our nights. Now we're going to do is we're going to make a newspaper. So we're going to call this newspaper. And we're going to make a little piece of paper here. You can do whatever you want. put whatever you want on it. You can just put like, I don't know, you can draw anything you want on it. I'm just gonna draw this. Right there. You can make it like tilt a little bit. There we go. For the newspaper, what we're gonna add is when flag is clicked, go to 0, 0, and then hide. Then what we're gonna do is when I receive new game, wait 2 seconds, set ghost effect to 100, show, repeat 50 times, change ghost effect by -2, wait 5 seconds, wait 5 seconds, repeat this, change ghost effect by +2, set ghost effect to 100, also forgot to add set ghost effect to 0 up here. And set ghost effect to 100 there. Hide, then make a variable, call it nights, and set night to 1, and then broadcast night 1. That's all you need for this one. We're going to make a new sprite. We're going to call it nights. For the sprites in this one, just make a little thing saying night 1. Locate it. Do night 2. And night 3. Perfect. And for this one, we're going to do when the sprite's clicked, go to 0, 0, set set night to 1, and then hide. Then do when I receive night 1, switch to 2 seconds. Wait 2 seconds. Switch to costume 1. Show. Wait 5 seconds. Hide. Set night to 1. Then broadcast new message, call it in game. Okay. We're also going to make another message. We're going to call it hide. I can't type hide menu. Then I'm going to do night 2 and night 3. For night 2, when I receive night 2, switch to costume 2, set night to 2, then broadcast in game. Same thing for night 3. Night 3, here switch to costume 3, set night to 3, hide menu, and broadcast in game. Go to the night 3 sprite and do when I receive hide menu, hide. Copy all of that, put it into every single menu sprite. So just in case, just for sure hide it. Clean up all your blocks and you can test it. All right. Your warning comes up. In the arrow, that's your main menu. If you do new game, everything fades away. Your newspaper comes up. it fades away, then a broadcast, night 1. There you go. And then if we do continue, if we select continue, once the warning is done, press continue. And if you select night 1, everything fades away. Then night 1 starts. Okay. All right. The final thing I'm going to do is to add, how I had in those little videos showing it off. I'm going to add like the music to it. So I'm going to add some of that by making a new sprite, calling it menu music. Import some things here. Just gonna add some ambience and a little music box jingle. Okay. Then what we're gonna do is for the code, we're gonna do when I receive main menu, set volume to 0, then repeat 10 times, change volume by 10, then do set volume to 100. When I receive main menu, forever play the little song. Also play the ambience until done. Then do when I receive new game, set volume to 100, change volume by -10 10 times, set volume to 0, and then stop all sounds. Then do that for night 1, 2, and 3. Night 1, 2, 3. Now let's experience the whole main menu in all of its glory. Well, there you have it. There's your Five Nights at Freddy's fan game. Main menu. That's not the whole game. Next episode is probably gonna come soon, but yeah. Hope you all enjoyed. Subscribe and stuff, and yeah, stay tuned for the next episode. Also, join my Discord server because no one joined it yet. So there, yeah. Subscribe. Good night. Bye.